Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring power and permissions. Make sure the Samsung Watch has at least 50% battery and is in pairing mode. Once done, install the Galaxy Watch app from the App Store and enable Bluetooth on your iPhone. Keep the devices close, within 3 meters, for a stable connection. If the watch asks to disable Wi-Fi, do that temporarily to force Bluetooth pairing. This initial setup avoids common dropouts and speeds up discovery, so move to the app immediately. You now follow the Galaxy Watch app prompts. Tap Start Pairing and allow Bluetooth and location permissions. When a code appears on both screens, confirm the match. This prevents accidental connections. Next, grant notifications, contacts, and health permissions. These let notifications and data sync correctly. Sign into your Samsung account if asked, because many watch features require that link. Make sure to accept required services for calls and messages, otherwise, some apps won't forward to the watch. You finish by letting the watch install updates and by customizing faces and app permissions. This final step ensures features behave as expected. Make sure background app refresh and notifications are enabled on your iPhone so data and alerts sync continuously. If pairing fails, try the key troubleshooting tip. Restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth off/on, and, if needed, reset the watch to factory settings and retry. These steps resolve most stubborn pairing problems and get you back to a stable connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.